Tafadhali tuketi chini. Thank you very much.
William Ruto, Deputy President.
Asanteni sana. Thank you. Rafiki yangu, Your Excellency, Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, and your dear wife, Tessie, and your family. Leaders who are present in this meeting, members of ANC National Delegate Congress, fellow Kenyans, good evening. Hamjambo. When Musalia Mudavadi said that there would be an earthquake on Sunday the 23rd, I wasn't sure how this earthquake is going to look like. And when my friend Omwami Musalia, you build this as an earthquake, many people were wondering just like me. But today, it is confirmed that there was indeed an earthquake in Kenya. Because a man spoke for millions of Kenyans. I want to say to the ANC fraternity, congratulations on choosing a man who is tested, a man who is focused to drive the agenda of your party. Congratulations to the ANC fraternity, and congratulations to my friend Musalia Mudavadi for the duty and the high calling that the people and the membership of ANC have placed on your shoulders. I am confident, sitting where I am, you are equal to the task. Today marks a turning point in the politics of the Republic of Kenya. Today marks a new page in the political discourse of our nation. I say so because Musalia Mudavadi has spoken to the heart of our nation, to the issues of our nation, to the challenges of our nation. And I want to say here that Musalia Mudavadi has stood tall like no other time. I will limit myself to only three things. First, I want to confirm on behalf of UDA and my team that we will work with ANC, we will work with Fort Kenya, and all the other parties that want to work and walk this journey of bringing Kenya together. On the issues, on the three most important issues, listening to my brother Musalia Mudavadi, number one is that we are going to raise the bar of leadership. We are going to raise the standard of leadership so that deceit and lies and conmanship does not become part of the equation of leadership in Kenya. every leader's word must be their bond at the very minimum. And it is expected by Kenyans and by fellow leaders that we can match what we say with what we do, and we can keep our word. Because there is no other way of judging a leader other than keeping their word. The second issue is the issue of ensuring that we protect and consolidate our democracy. That every Kenyan, as provided for by the Constitution, can make choices. Can make choices of friends, can make choices of policies, can make choices of leaders, can make choices of policies. And that we as a nation must resist and refuse the criminalization of dissent or alternative views. That the criminal justice system cannot be weaponized to drive political narratives, to drive political programs, to erect political projects for purposes of making Kenya a preserve for those in power and those who wield authority. This Kenya must belong to everybody, as ordinary as they come. So your statement on consolidating our democracy and ensuring that the country is not chaperoned by the EACC and DCI and all the other agencies towards a certain direction, and people are not victimized because they have refused to accept certain positions. That whole mix, I want to say today, is indeed a turning point in our nation. And that together we are going to stand up to these games, and we are going to stand up to the processes that want to take away from the democracy and the constitution that we have. And finally, let me say that the only two candidates, as has been said here, that have identified the economy as the place where we will begin to sort out the challenges facing our nation is ANC and UDA. I believe the coming together of the Uchumi Bora, Pesa Mfukoni, and the bottom-up economic model, we will have the chance to deal decisively with the challenges that face our nation. We can confidently say, as has been said here, that the hustlers need Uchumi Bora. And Uchumi Bora must start at the bottom so that we can all have Pesa Mfukoni, and then Kazi becomes Kazi. So I think we are in a good place. I am very confident that going forward, the statement that has been made by our good brother Musalia Mudavadi is the beginning of the journey to the next general election and to a future that has shared prosperity for every citizen. I want to say here that we have had in-depth discussions with my brothers, and we have agreed that Kenya is greater than any one of us, and that we will make whatever sacrifices that need to be made so that we can consolidate Kenya, we can consolidate our nation and take Kenya to the next level. We are also acutely clear that this will take the hand of God and the people of Kenya. And because of that, we are going to walk this journey with many Kenyans, both inside here and outside there. And I want to announce to the nation that the journey to bring this unity together has started in Bomas. Our next stop will be Wednesday in Nakuru County. And then Friday in Western Kenya. And then Saturday in Central Kenya. We will then from there tell you what the journey will look like, because this is not going to be a discussion between me, Musalia, and Wetangula. It is going to be a discussion and a conversation and a journey involving millions of the citizens of our nation. And we are doing so because we understand when Musalia graphically has told us the situation in our country, it means time is of the essence, and we cannot afford to lose any time. As was said, it is about time that we do the right thing. And my good brother, Musalia Mudavadi, we are eternally grateful for your statement, because you have spoken for millions of the citizens of our republic. And I want to assure you that my team and I will work with you and all our teams together so that we can build a nation that leaves nobody behind, as you say. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki. God bless you.
Okay, please let's remain in our seats after we've agreed. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, please remain where you are. I'll ask His Excellency Musalia to come for the national anthem together with Mheshimiwa Wetangula and Kabogo. Tafadhali kwa heshima, stop where you are. Musimame pale mko, tafadhali kwa heshima. And we clear this path. Asanteni sana, Excellency. Baada ya national anthem, because the national anthem is also a prayer. After the national anthem, we will move out.